Start of script. Hey everyone, welcome back to RPM Studio, the place where we bring machines to life and dissect every detail so you know exactly what's worth your time and money. If you're passionate about cars with attitude, style, and raw performance, this is your place. And before we dive in real quick, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications because you won't want to miss what's coming next. We've got some mind-blowing reviews lined up, and trust me, you'll want a front row seat. Alright, let's get into something different. Today, we're talking about a car that's been buzzing in the performance luxury circuit and stirring up conversations on design forums and EV enthusiast groups alike, the MNTAL. It's bold, it's sleek, it's mental. Pun fully intended. First impressions? This thing looks like the Batmobile met a Scandinavian architect in a wind tunnel. It's got this low-slung silhouette, sharp-cut body lines, and these absolutely stunning LED DRLs that look like electric veins pulsing across the front. The grille, well, more of a suggestion of one, isn't really functional in the traditional sense because this beast is fully electric, but it still manages to look aggressive even without a combustion heart under the hood. The side profile flows like melted metal sculpted by speed. Flush door handles, active aero fins, and these gorgeous 21-inch turbine-style alloys that actually help with cooling the brakes at high speeds. And the rear? Don't even get me started. The light bar stretches end-to-end with a chiseled MNTAL badge right in the middle. It glows subtly at night, almost like the car's breathing. Now let's step inside because MNTALs really flex their design language in here. First thing you notice, this isn't just a cabin, it's an experience. You're greeted with a cockpit that's equal parts spaceship and Scandinavian lounge. The steering wheel is squared off, think F1 style, but somehow still comfortable for everyday driving. Materials? Top tier. Soft touch Alcantara, brushed titanium accents, ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, and this massive curved OLED display that stretches from behind the wheel to the center stack. And this screen isn't just for show. It's lightning fast with haptic feedback and deep customization options. You can change drive modes, ambient lighting themes, even engine sound emulation. Yes, engine sound. The MNTAL lets you pick from a range of synthetic engine sounds, from whisper-quiet hum to full-blown sci-fi warship mode. One cool detail that really stood out to me: the crystal drive selector that rises when you power on the vehicle. It's such a small thing, but it adds a touch of theater every time you get in. There's even biometric recognition, so when you step in, your seat, mirrors, HUD, and climate settings adjust instantly. Talk about a car that knows you. But hey, looks and luxury are only half the story. Let's talk performance. Under the floor sits